All right, more contracts. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's read the volume. That looks right. That's not right. I might want some puts. I'm just gonna take one there. It's kind of extended. See if we can add to that maybe. Is that volume right? You know, that volume's not right. If it keeps going up, I'm just gonna get out of it and wait. Good thing I only have a small position. Yeah, we'll just close that and we'll wait and we'll wait for another entry. But that volume wasn't right there on these two bars. It's not really correct, so I'm gonna wait and see. It should be turning around. That's why I want the puts. Yeah, see, it's starting to do it. Try it again. Try it again. Take another put here. Then I'm gonna get ready for one more in case I start getting right about it. Yeah, see, the volume is not checking out there. I'm gonna add another one. And we'll do one more. If it goes down a little bit more, we'll add some more. Yeah, keep adding. Just keep adding as it goes down. Here we go, add another one. Add another one. I'm actually gonna take that. I'm gonna take that money there. Come on. Cool. Nice. Okay. That was a pretty hefty move down there. And I expect to see some bounce back up. Some kind of bounce because we're near this support area here. But this is more of a level. That level there is more of a real level. So we still have room to come down, it looks like. The volume is checking out. I'm thinking I want to do another one. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to let it come up a little bit and then I'm going to wait and I'll do another one. Taking one there. I'm iffy about it. I'm a little bit iffy about it. It's scaring me now. I'm just gonna get out of it. I'm just gonna get out of it since it's scaring me. And we'll wait. It's not what I'm expecting, so we're gonna wait. The volume was kind of increasing there. These two candles, it was increasing, but the price was spreads was decreasing. So I'm gonna wait. We're gonna wait. That means buyers are starting to come in, which we could miss a nice move here, but that's fine. If you're wondering, I'm using the 1 minute chart in relation to the 2 minute chart. The reason why I'm doing that is because I'm scalping and I want to see volume analysis on very small time frames. I don't like using the 5 minute chart. I don't like using the 30 minute chart. Not for scalping, no. So I want the 1 minute, I want the 2 minute. It kind of helps me see the analysis, especially if I'm looking like at this range here. It almost helps to be able to see this one in relation to this one because it's half as much, you know, so you can see a little bit better. It helps you cipher, you know, helps you decide. So we got 4 bars here, we got 2 bars here, so it kind of tells you the volume. There's our buyers. So I'm assuming it's gonna come down to this level here because that's where we have our real, that's like a real level, you know. I like to consider it a really good level if it's both support and resistance at the same time. This one was support for this one was resistance for these two. So I'm that's a really high quality level I want to watch. This one maybe not so much here. It didn't really, it hasn't really proven that much yet. So I'm not really concerned about that one yet. I'm more concerned about this level. We're just waiting. Should see a pretty good move up, but I'm still not doing calls only because it's in a bearish sentiment right now. Even though calls are gonna pay right now, I don't want to do it. There's not enough risk to reward. It's still bearish sentiment for me, so I'm not doing it. Okay, so the puts are looking. The puts are looking. I might let it come up just a little bit, and then I want to grab the put. Because I'm thinking it's going to break, but I'm thinking they want to trap in buyers before it breaks. Let it come up. I almost want it to break the high, and if it doesn't, then I'm still gonna get in. But I want the 1 minute candle to complete for sure. Got 20 seconds. There we go. Okay, I'm grabbing it. I'm gonna see if I can get another put here. Oh, it's pushing me up. Definitely not averaging down. Kind of back to that supply, or sorry, that demand zone, and it seems to be popping up, but supply pushed it down. So let's see. I don't know what it's doing. We got 2 green candles now. I'm getting out here. Trying to make new highs. I'm getting out. I still think it's coming down to this this zone here. It's like we got decreasing buy volume already. Let's see if what it wants to do. They'll have to reload on the put. This was around the price I originally wanted to take it at, was around here. But let's see if the volume pans out to be decreasing. Bulls and bears are fighting right now. This is definitely going to be the sentiment candle to decide what's going to happen. So if it's red, I think we're going to see more red. If it's green, we're going to see more green. There's red. I'm going to get in there. One more. I'm going to start adding. Still waiting. I mean, it should have seen more red come through, especially since we're near supply right now. So it's iffy. I almost want to toss it again. A lot of buys going through there. Big volume. Big volume there. I'm definitely out of that. Hey, look at that volume. We're getting extreme big volume right now. But the spreads are staying small. See, previously we had high volume and these were very large spread candles over here. But the spreads are staying small here. That's actually one of the highest volumes. This one actually has higher volume than this candle over here. This one does. So that's weird. Could definitely be trapping buyers. I'm still thinking puts. I mean, I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna take a put here. Just gonna trust my instinct here. And get ready. Yep, it's coming down. I'm gonna keep adding here. Gonna try and add as much as I can right now. I got a few, but okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's see if I can add more. Oh, I guess that's all I can take. We'll let that one work. I think that was a good decision considering the volume and the spreads were just so weird. I definitely might have been trying to trap buyers there. I think so. I got my order. I'm sell one there. And we'll just kind of take them as the market moves down here. Still holding. I sold one, but I've got 3 more contracts. Selling one more there. Just gonna wait and see. We definitely have increasing volume, so that's good. If it comes up, I'm gonna add. It's kind of popping up. Not as much. Not to where I want to add though. I want something that's gonna trick. You know, I want them to kind of try and trick buyers back in. I want to add on that because that's a fake move. You know, I definitely want to grab that. It's like how we did earlier. I want to this time. I'd almost want to see a huge spread but low volume, and I'll take that. I'll definitely add on that. But right now I'm still in sell mode, so I'm waiting to sell these contracts. Nice. Let's see if we can hold these levels to the bottom, and I'll take another one, or I'll sell another one. Kind of pop up. Yeah, I might have wanted to add it at those levels. I mean, I'm not sure, but maybe halfway up, you know, of this previous red candle, I'd want to add. Let's see. I'm gonna try it out. If we can get up there again, I'm gonna add. If we could hold those levels, I think that might be where you'd want to add. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I'm gonna add there and we'll call that. There's nice demand there. So it should push it higher. Yep, I'm gonna add one there. I'm gonna get ready back in sell mode. Volume's still kind of checking out. That's good. On the sell side, at least. Volume is definitely checking out. There's still divergence on the buy side. I want to see it come down to this support, though. I want to see it come all the way down there. Which we might see a flush. And if we see a flush, I'm gonna sell 2. And then that'll leave me just 1. And I'll kind of hold on to that. And that one will be my reason to sell. I'll wait until I kind of get a reason to sell. I'm gonna sell one there, and then we'll wait for this second to last one till we get even a little bit closer. Take that there. We get one more. Then we're just gonna hold this one until there's definitely a change. We see a sell divergence. Now I want to wait, and if we see a selling divergence, I will definitely sell it. I will sell this last one here. Not sure if I want to add because the bear move has kind of been extended now. You know, we could be seeing. Well, let's see. Let's see how long these bear moves have been going for. About 20 candles. So we're, and sometimes they don't, you know, they don't typically always last 20 candles, you know, but we can kind of see it's been getting bigger. This bear move is smaller, bigger. So I'm assuming this one actually might be a little bit bigger than that one. But we'll see. I don't know. I mean, we don't have confirming volume yet that that the move is in. That the move is done. Sorry, we don't have confirming volume that the move is done. So still waiting. So that's confirming buy volume there, which is a little frightening. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss the last one there, and we're gonna call it good. Just because we've got that volume there, that's you know, it's checking out. Before they wasn't checking out, right? Before we had here on the 1 minute over here, before this candle had a higher spread than this candle, but this candle had higher volume here, so that wasn't checking out. But here the spreads and the volume check out, so that says, you know, we really do have a good amount of buyers here, which makes sense. We're close to that support level, so we'll just call it that. Now would be a good time to do calls if I want to do calls, but I don't know yet. I almost want a little bit more confirming volume to say, just because the way these bear moves were. And we've been kind of trending up here, especially if we put a little trend line across this whole thing. We could we could definitely break this trend line if we hit this support. We could definitely break that trend line, and I mean that'll be, we'll start seeing a nice, even a nicer move down here. But short term, I sold that put. I'm done, and I'll be waiting to. We'll see if we can get that nicer move here. And this is one of the reasons why I like having just a 2 minute chart, is because it's double as much as the one. With the one, I gotta zoom out more, you know, and it's almost, you can't you know, the 2 minute chart is just twice as much area to see, so it's nicer that way, you know. I don't want the 30 minute, because then I'm gonna keep looking over at the 5 and the 30, and you're going to turn a small move into a big move, or you might turn a big move and confirm it with a small move. So stick to, you know, I'm trying to stick to what I'm doing here. Just confirming sell volume. Let's see. So as we're approaching this support, I want to see the buy volume start turning into more confirming volume, and that'll tell me that we might trade sideways the rest of the day or even go higher. If not, we could definitely, like I said, break that trend line, which I think we barely just broke it, and we'll start coming down. We might end around 404, you know, 403 and a half, something like that on the SPY, and that'll definitely conclude the day. But we don't know. I mean, it's possible. If you look at the the other day, geez, I mean, everything's just been extended, extended, extended. Same thing with the previous day. I mean, look at that, just extended move into the close. So we could definitely see that into the close. It could just be extremely extended, like how it has been. Fix my line here. See, we also got another here. That's another good one. Good little areas, you know. See if we can get confirming buy volume again. I mean, we'd have to have higher than average volume right now to, you know, or for the previous moving averages on the volume. We'd have to have higher than average volume to confirm that this is probably a reversal, or, you know, to confirm that it's real. This is a real buyers coming in. With, you know, obviously there are some real buyers coming in, but that the majority of the action is real. Because sometimes it's fake, right? And we did not have. Well, you know what? That is validating because the spreads are lower. So it's true. There wasn't a lot of buyers there. There's still sellers. So this still could be put season. I'm getting my puts ready here. Definitely getting my puts ready. We can break this support. We could see an extended move down, which is what it's calling for. It's the market is calling for it. So we just broke it. I'm gonna take a put there, and I got another one coming for the retest of that support. Maybe I got another one coming. There we go. Add another one there. and just keep adding, because I'm definitely expecting that break, and it's gonna just destroy that entire trend it's been doing. Hopefully we go down to that previous resistance there, or that support. Might not go straight down, right? So it'll just go sideways a little bit. So we'll try and get as much as we can here, and then I'll cover them all, and we'll wait for the next move and probably retest that resistance. Find another one, and then we'll just call it that. I don't think it's gonna move too far. I mean, we'll see, maybe. Yeah, that's weird volume. That is definitely weird. That is way high volume. I mean, I don't understand that. Could be tricking sellers right now, so I'm gonna get out there. And I'm assuming somebody's trying to keep me selling. So I'm taking that. I'm thinking that's about it. What time's it? About 1:16. I'll be back for power hour, and then we'll just call it that. So I'll stop the video. We'll upload this one, then I'll get another one going when power hour comes. But that's a good trade. I mean, we made pretty decent amount on that put there. I assume it's gonna go sideways for a little bit. It might even range into the close, but I don't know. We'll see what we can do. We might look at other markets, but right now it's buy is we broke that trend line, and we might see it move lower. So we'll keep that in mind, but I'll be back. That's it for now.